What's up, Fetii? This is FIJI at Arizona State University. Let me show you guys around. Here at FIJI Plex, we got 12 guys all in 6 units. Each unit, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, full kitchen. Make the FIJI letters always. Delta Zeta trophy from last year's philanthropy. FIJI softball does not mess around at all. All the boys come in here, hang out, play 2K. And then if we come in here, we got my bedroom, got my paddle on the wall from my little. At the Plex, we all have our own backyards. Back here, you know, guys like to get a little dirty, play some die, have bonfires. Guys like to cause some problems too, some more than others.
Rush FIJI, rush Fetii.
This Ike right here is one of our Plex dogs. We got our only turf patch right here. Here we got our die table. We got bros always out here playing, always having a good time. Come over to our sand pit. It's not just die, we got beach volleyball over here as well. Bros always out here throwing a football, having fun. Hey Fetii, thanks for stopping by FIJI at Arizona State. Always remember, rush FIJI.